Yeah. My man's and them getting it together for me, you know what I'm saying? We gonna have to continue this next week, you know what I'm saying? Same macro place, same macro time, same macro channel.
Macro.
You know what I'm saying? But it's about that time, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep my appointment to chill with my home sites. We go way back like we go way back like knickknacks in a hatchback in a knapsack, you know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying?
Yo, this be the boy Nazi man up and I didn't see enough. AKA God started to grow. God just out in track, see? Be the girl, do what they gotta do, boy. Do what they gotta do, yeah. Do what they gotta do, boy. Do what they gotta do, yeah. So they gorgeous. I tell my your shoes, you're sexy, juicy. Definition of beauty. So they gorgeous. And she got it going on. Got the option for form. The wish is for an charm. So they gorgeous. Agree, absolutely. No need for excuses. They get no attitude. Me too, she gorgeous. And described by me. Appealing is for the RT.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be nice, son. Holla at y'all next week. Yeah. I keep y'all tuned, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, peace. I tell my your beauty, your sexy beauty, definition of beauty. So they gorgeous, and she got it going on. Got the option for farm, the wish is for an charm. So they gorgeous, agree absolutely, no need for excuses. They get no attitude, me too, she gorgeous, and described by me. Appealing is for the artist.